AWD, clean Carfax, automatic, incredible condition, and V6. Excellent value. All the right ingredients. Try this on for size. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then how many words is this unblemished 2001 Ford Escape worth? New car test drive said. A car-like ride makes it easy to live with. It isn't designed for serious off-road driving, nor are its direct competitors. Overall, we feel the Escape is the best SUV in its class. This fuel-efficient Escape, with its grippy AWD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work. Freeway Ford is Denver's Ford store.